52. Are you familiar with the process called permeation? It simply means the act of spreading through something and becoming found in every part. This looks like freshly baked bread being dipped into soup. That soup begins to permeate through the bread. This looks like your favorite meal when it's cooked in the house. That smell, that aroma will permeate through the entire house. The beauty of being a believer in Jesus Christ, the beauty of baptism, is that you must allow Jesus to permeate through your entire life and not only remain on the surface. This looks like not just having Jesus in your life Sunday morning and Wednesdays, but allowing him to be present every day of the week. Not just present in how you treat the people you love, but that he's present even when you deal with the people you don't like. Allowing Jesus to be present even in your jokes and recreation, not just in your professionalism. Group 52, this week, allow and desire that Jesus will permeate through your entire life. God bless you and have the best week of your life.